In this exercise, we are going to learn how to use the print function to print multiple values in the console. Suppose that we create a list. We call the list numbers and assign this list literal. We write 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. With the print function, we can show all the content of that list, the list numbers. We code print, we call that function, and pass as argument the numbered list. Execute this code and we get this result on the console. The values 2, 3, 5, 7. All the content of the list is shown in the console as a unit. What we see in the console is the entire content of the list, the string representation of that data structure, the list. Okay, the print function, I will add here break line, then we write numbers, open a square parentheses, we print the first number, the number that is located in the 0 index. Then we write numbers and print the value in the second position, index 1, and repeat the process for the rest of the elements in the list. Numbers, open a square parenthesis, the third element that is located in the index number 2, and finally we write numbers and write 3. Execute again and we have this new result with values 2, 3, 5, 7. 3 different values from the numbered list, but those values are the string representation of the individual access to the list using the slicing techniques by opening the square parentheses. Okay, suppose that we got a list with 100 elements. If we use this scheme to print each individual item using the print function, it is very tedious. There is an alternative method to achieve that result using the asterisk operator. We write asterisk and use the numbered list. This technique is called value propagation. It is a technique to decompose the list and extract each individual item and pass those items as argument for the print function. We execute again this code and we get the same result. Very easy. It is extremely easy using this asterisk this propagation operator. Okay.